how to do this, how to add that next stream of income, and even what. Some of you may not know what that stream of income looks like. You're in a job and you want to add something else and you just don't know what that is. And so I'm glad you're here today on this episode, because I want to dig into some of the things that could be like your low-hanging fruit, and even go over some side hustle ideas that you can start right away.
Ryan is passionate about helping others discover their gifts and start their own business. He's published 5 books, and his courses and group coaching programs have changed the lives of thousands of students all over the world.
So guys, a lot of times I hear folks say, Ryan, I just want to make my first stream of income or my second stream of income. Maybe you are you're currently working a regular full-time job and you just want to learn how to sell online, or you want to write that book, you want to create that course. You just need to add one. If you're in a regular job and you're just trying to add that next stream of income, so I'd say your job is your first stream of income, you're adding your second stream of income. What does that look like? Friend Dan Miller has a formula for how you would spend your time if you are wanting to create a course, write a book, become a coach. He calls it the 15-hour per week formula. And it looks like this. If you were going to do it this way, now this could be even if you just have 10 hours or even 5 hours, if you're going into the path where you're trying to make an income off of something that you're passionate about, something that you're knowledgeable about, this is what I would do. Take 20% of that time. So if it was 15 hours, it'd be 3 hours a week that you are reading, studying, or acquiring new knowledge. This is super important. But don't get stuck in just constantly consuming content. You have to take action. I have students that will just listen to everything, watch every webinar. They'll be in the Facebook groups of some of my courses, and they'll be there all the time, but they're not taking action in their business. You have to take action. You can't just be a consumer of content. So spend 3 hours or 20% of that time. So if you had 10 hours a week to do this, then 2 hours a week reading, studying, acquiring new knowledge. Okay, so if it was 15 hours, you got 5 hours creating content. That's working on your book, working on your course, creating that course, working on your coaching packages. That's 33% of the time. If you're doing 15 hours a week, that's 4 hours working directly with clients. That's the taking action part, getting those new clients, working with them directly, being inside your Facebook group, doing office hours. If you have a mentoring program on Facebook where you are working with them, doing like the group coaching. I do that a lot in my groups. So that's 27% of the time working directly with your clients. And then the last 20% or 3 hours, if you're doing 15 hours a week, is marketing your business. You got to be out there finding new clients, attracting new leads, or your business will not make it. Got to get people into that funnel at the top. We talk about things like a lead magnet, where you are attracting new people with a tip sheet, a quiz or an assessment, an ebook. I have my book, Streams of Income. That's my main lead magnet. It's both in a paperback form and an ebook form, and attracts new clients into my business. So if you are working a regular job and you're just trying to get that next stream of income, that is what I would do. As far as if you're trying to go into a business that you're doing something that you're passionate about, especially if it's like creating a course, writing a book, starting a mentorship program, becoming a coach. Now that's the 15-hour per week formula. If you're going into a business where you are maybe creating a course, you want to become a coach, you want to have a group coaching program, the info route where you're selling information, something that you're passionate about, something that you're knowledgeable about. Hey, Ryan Rieger here. If you're looking for proven real strategies for making money online, then grab my book, Streams of Income. In it, I detail the 3 main ways to make money online, and these are strategies that students of mine all over the world are using to make real money. And the best part is, these are strategies that you can get started with $0 and 0 experience. So if you'd like a free copy of my book, Streams of Income, check out the link in the description below.